Welcome to Seagull Hotel. Planning your trip to Blackpool? Scan the QR code or check the description below for booking information and special offers. Nestled in the heart of Blackpool, the Seagull Hotel offers a charming retreat for those seeking a memorable stay in this vibrant seaside town. With its prime location and warm hospitality, this boutique hotel is perfect for both leisure and business travelers. At the Seagull Hotel, guests can expect a cozy and intimate atmosphere with only 5 tastefully decorated rooms. Each room is designed to provide the utmost comfort and relaxation, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep after a day of exploring Blackpool's attractions. Whether you choose a standard room or opt for a more luxurious suite, you can rest assured that your stay will be exceptional. Check-in is available from 3 p.m., allowing guests to settle in and start their Blackpool adventure at their own pace. The attentive and friendly staff are always on hand to assist with any queries or special requests, ensuring a seamless experience. When it's time to bid farewell, checkout is until 10:30 a.m., giving guests ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast before continuing their journey. Please note that the Seagull Hotel has a child policy in place. While children are welcome, extra charges may apply. This ensures a peaceful environment for all guests, allowing them to fully unwind. Don't forget to scan the QR code to book your stay at the Seagull Hotel today.